Right, today I'm going to show you how to prepare your pellets. So they're all pre-prepared and ready for when you get there, so you can fish straight away. Right, what you will need, any size pellet really, it depends on your preference. I've got some 6mm pellets here. Right, and you'll also need a pellet pump, which is a pump device that pumps all the air out of the pellets. So I've got my pellets here in the little pot. This pellet pump's got a pot which you can keep the bait in there and take it to the fishery with you. So just got your dry pellets here. I'm going to add some water to that. Right. So I've added some water here to the pellets, about halfway up the container. Then you can do this, you don't have to, but I'm going to add a liquid booster. I'm going to use krill for this one. Just going to add that to the water so that when the pump sucks the air out of the pellets, it will force the water in along with the flavour that you're putting in, so it will all get into the pellet, which is perfect. So it depends how strong you want it to be, but I'm just going to use about 1/8 of a bottle. Right, next I'm going to add the lid on. Then you attach your pump. Okay. Put this, in this case, this pump just sits on the top like that. So we're going to pump the air out now. It should get harder as you pump. You can see the bubbles coming out of the pellets. Nice. I can just see now, as the air is coming out, they're all dropping to the bottom. Just let the air come out. There, and as you can see, all the pellets have sunk to the bottom. That means that all the air's come out of them. If you was to go to the bank and put them in some water, it'd take an hour or two before they'd soak up. So you can get it on your hook straight away with this. So all we do now is drain the water off. Right. Drained off the water, the pellets there. They absolutely stink of the flavour that I've put in, which is krill, which is horrible, but it's good for fish. Okay. Now all you need is a plastic bag, a seal lock bag like this one. You can just tighten it up after you put them in. Put them in the bag. I mean, you can put them in the bag. I'm going to keep them in here, but you would put them in the bag as so. Just push all the air out of the bag, tie it up, fold it, and then put these into the freezer. And then when you take them with you the next day, they'll be ready to put on the hook. So give that a go. Saves you time messing about on the bank, and it forces that flavouring in. Whereas if you were just to add the flavour into the water, it wouldn't have that pressure to suck it into the pellet. So it's pre-done, flavoured. It's ideal. Yeah, give that a try. Thanks for watching.